the season premiere of 2.
Season 2.
Season 2
of 2? Or
The show's not called 2.
And we've got some questions we're going to ask each other. And I'll go ahead and start with my good co-star here, Anupam. What is your favorite snack at Crafty?
It's been banned.
Oh, that's true. That's true. This is a political issue.
Almonds.
This is a hot button
We're
issue.
not allowed to talk about that.
Man likes-
No more nuts on set.
Nuts
so,
and legumes.
Ryan, you gotta go.
Yeah.
You gotta go.
That was well done. That was the biggest thing.
Go ahead, what do you got?
Who's gonna eat avocados all day?
Tyler, what you got?
I'm gonna say to Freema, if you could play any other character on the show, who would it be?
You.
Yeah!
Because I would be the most popular character in the show.
That's too much love.
Not there.
Freema, you go. Ask someone.
I'm going to ask Brian, if your character were a dog, what breed would they be?
Easy.
Oh,
Easy. Golden Retriever.
Yeah.
Right?
A what?
A golden retriever.
The old standby.
Sure.
The old standby.
Yeah.
Or like a Saint Bernard, like a mountain dog.
Okay. Good
No,
for
With the
it's
medical
pretty
chest around the neck, bringing people home when they're freezing to death.
Yeah.
Bringing the people to
Retriever.
booze.
I'm going to ask Iggy, and that's my friend Tyler.
Yeah.
Who cries the easiest?
Oh, out of
What,
anybody
in
that
real
counts?
life? Or,
In real life.
In real life, for you.
Well, this guy is a huge crybaby as his character.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But I would say in real life, the person who maybe cries the most.
Joko?
I mean, it's gotta be Freema. Freema's probably the biggest crybaby.
Yeah.
Yeah, Freema's the biggest crybaby. Other than me, obviously.
There's gotta be somebody ethnic. Somebody brown up here cries too much. Ever since. I'm not going to say anything.
Oh, okay. I am going to ask. I'm going to ask Freema. When did you learn about your character's fate?
Oh, we can answer that now. This is
So wait,
post
wait.
show, yeah.
yeah.
It's over.
When did I learn about the character's fate? Well, we kind of didn't. It was like the whole summer.
Yeah.
It was like the whole summer. Janet and I and Lisa. I think it was interesting seeing all the comments on social media as well, and us kind of being on that journey with the people because we genuinely didn't know, and it was a bit nerve-wracking at times. So it was really late we got the scripts for reasons, but yeah, it was tense.
Okay, I'm
The
gonna ask
day
a
before the
question.
table
I'm
read.
gonna ask a question to Jocko Sims.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know. Okay, you can just say pass if you don't like the question.
Okay, let's see.
Did you cry when you read any of the scripts? If so, which one?
Absolutely. I would say at least a third of the scripts I've cried at some point. If it's not when we were filming, I cried at the table read. You guys didn't know I kind of turned around and.
No, we all know.
We
know.
No, we
know.
know.
So I'm the biggest crybaby. And I actually was in the car on the way to the airport to fly to Los Angeles when I read this episode, the first episode of season 2, and I was a mess. It was. And I knew what was going to happen, but the way that it happened just blew my mind. So that one the most. Yeah. And who didn't Janet? I got one for Janet. All right. Who's the biggest goofball on set?
I mean, it's got to be Tyler. Yeah, it's got
Top 3 for sure.
Tyler like loves to talk right up to the point where they go action.
I learned that
Still
from
like
Ryan Eggold, by the
messing
way.
around.
That's a
Like,
Ryan
actually,
Eggold
like-
skill set.
Yeah, I think it's definitely
Throw
Tyler.
him off the set.
All
Does
right.
anyone disagree? Is there a bigger goofball than Tyler?
No, it's not.
Me.
Like Janet's in the top. Yeah,
You're the
top
top.
Yeah,
two.
that's true.
I
Actually,
mean-
today Janet threw a pen at me
Yeah.
mid-take.
It was a needle, actually.
Oh.
It was something.
Yeah, when Janet's got a case of the like.
Fall out.
Then it's A class.
Oh,
If it takes more than 2
I'm gonna ask you.
Did I not ask you?
Did we didn't ask.
No, did you ask him?
No, who? I
Actually, I
didn't
asked to Janet.
We
actually,
did?
yeah, I
We did? Everybody?
No, I
did?
asked for mine.
I think good.
You haven't asked
So
for
guys,
mine, have you?
thank you so much for tuning in to the season 2 premiere, and thank you for tuning in to the after show. And we, what this?
Hold
What's
on,
going
I have a question.
Yeah.
It's for the entire cast.
Oh, boy.
Let's do this.
So
Sorry, my
we're not
bad.
going anywhere. Everybody, hang on. How has being on the show changed your relationship with your own doctor? I think that's a neat question. We should talk about that one. If you have a doctor.
My goodness. I went to the emergency room a couple episodes in to starting this show. You were there.
Oh.
You were there.
Yeah,
you were
we were
there.
there.
You were not there.
It's like,
You were not there.
it's like you were there, you were there.
It was
Scarecrow.
it was really weird because I was like, am I still on a set? Because I was looking around and everyone was in scrubs and I was like, is this real life? But it just made me appreciate like these people do this every day. Like you're in the worst place in your life and then you go, please help me, and then somebody just turns you around and just saves your life. And it's amazing. It just made me appreciate that.
I try to correct my doctor now. This is not the way it's done. They teach you how to take blood pressure and do that.
Yeah. I have a therapist here in New York, and I've been doing a lot of
Therapy?
intent listening to her. So she'll be
Yeah, you're
telling
like,
me
could you
about
ask me
what's
that
wrong
again?
with me, and I'm like, yeah. Tell me how that makes you feel. And I'm trying to be a therapist to my therapist. It's bizarre.
I think that it's made doctors more human to me.
Yeah.
I think before I saw them as something that was like, they were the school teacher type, and I was a bit like, oh, they just talk medicine, and now I see them as real people, and I think that's really important.
Yeah. Oh.
There you have it. Season 2. Take it away.
Okay.
Wrap it up. Jocko, do the rap. Do the thing that you do.
I don't have health insurance.
Let's do the rap.
See you
see
tomorrow
you.
night for the season 3 premiere of new. No, sorry, that's in a year.
No.
But we will see you next week for our second episode. It's going to be a good one.
It's gonna be great. Someone dies. Someone dies.
Oh, Jesus.
Check out my playlist on Spotify.